Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Moumi. Today I will take Maybelline Pink with Attitude Challenge. I will show you the swatches of all new 7 pink shades of Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick and 4 new pink shades in Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. In this video I'm gonna test it with the glass of water, and also the most important test, that is I will try to wipe it off with a cotton drenched in makeup remover and show you does it really works or stays long or not. Including all these, I will mention the shades with their undertone and which skin tone will be best for them. I will mention that too. Firstly, I'm gonna talk about Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. This costs rupees 5.99 for 1.2 gram. It has beautiful buttery soft texture. I really like this kind of soft textured lipstick as I am not a big fan of matte. You can use this crayon as a base coat, then apply the Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick, or you can wear it alone. It looks extremely pretty. I especially love this color 75. A very beautiful warm shade, will look good on any skin tone from fair to medium with any undertone. Almost the same shade in Superstay Matte Ink is 157. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick comes with a price tag of rupees 650. Contains 5 ml of product. You will get the expiry date and ingredient list at the back of the product. I love the formula of Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. It's so amazing, guys. It never dries your lips or come off when you eat something. It comes with different vibrant colors. If you use a base coat under this matte ink lipstick, then it will take 20 to 25 minutes to dry, but if you use it alone, then it takes 5 minutes, just 5 minutes to dry. Now coming to the shade number 80 from Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon Lipstick, a very sweet pink color and the most favorite one in my list. This lipstick smells heavenly. The similar shade of 80 in Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink is the shade 155 Pathfinder. This shade was too pretty, so I promptly applied it on my lips and forgot filming. I'm so sorry for that. I'm showing the hand swatch of it. You can see this is the sweetest shade in this pink series of Maybelline Matte Ink Lipstick. It will look best in any skin tone and undertone. 160 is a nude pinkish brown shade for every skin tone. As it's a nude shade, so I'm wearing it on my bare skin. There is no makeup, just the lipstick on. This is the shade 165 Successful, a pretty cool toned shade, best for any skin tone with pink or neutral undertone. The shade 170 is another pretty pink shade for every Indian skin tone. As you can see, it looks very pretty on my skin tone. You just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say, life's about to end. If you wanna be someone, now this is the shade 85, another cute pink shade, best for fair to medium skin tone. Just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say, life's about to end. If you wanna be someone, you don't have to. Now this is the shade 175 Ringleader. It will look good on fair to medium skin tone. It becomes darker when it dries. The next shade that I'm gonna show you is from Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon Lipstick. This is the shade 90, a light pink shade that can be used as nude shade for fair skin people. Now this is the shade 180 Revolutionary, the last shade in pink series lipsticks from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is the nearest shade of Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon 90. So I'm layering the shade 180 on top of the shade 90. All the shades become darker after drying, so buy your shades according to this. Now I'm starting the pink attitude challenge. For this I have taken a glass of water and let's see, does it really transfer proof or not. Guys, it's really transfer proof, you can try it. I'm showing you again. So it wins the water challenge. Now I'm going to do the makeup remover challenge. For this I take a cotton ball soaked in makeup remover and trying to wipe it off. As you can see, it's really hard to wipe off. You need to hold it for some time and so that the lipstick could be removable. I think you already noticed that it wins the tests, so you can eat anything without being worried. So I love these lipsticks too much. What's your opinion about these lipsticks? Let me know in the comment section. Take this pink attitude challenge and tell me, is it really best at this price point or not? I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more latest updates of my videos. Thanks for watching the whole video. Goodbye.